what you're giving, right? So I was talking about something which is latest, something which is trendy. So you will have to talk to the, or you will have to discuss that in the class. Of course, you can read and you can tell to your students. The other way in which you can do is you can make a PPT out of it. So if you don't have time to make a PowerPoint presentation and you want something which is latest, and this Gamma AI will, just like your Bard or Gemini, it is having the latest update, whatever is new, whatever is trending, whatever is happening. So when you give any topic, it would be creating PowerPoint for you, it would be creating document for you. And if you're uploading any document, it would be making it into a PowerPoint, or it would be making the document even better. So that would be done. So now when I log into Gamma app, so I've logged in using my Gmail account. And here also, per day, it will permit you to make 8 to 10 PowerPoint presentations or documents. That limitation would be there, so you can check on that. So I'll say create new AI, and it is asking whether you want to paste any text, or you want to generate it from scratch, or you want to import any existing document or a PowerPoint and improvise on that. So it's asking for that. Let's say generate. Let me generate from scratch. It is asking whether you want to generate presentation, a document, or you want to create a web page. For now, I'll just go with presentation. And if you look here, it is asking cards. Cards means slides here. So it is asking whether you want just one slide, two slide, three, up to 10, it is free. Okay, up to 10, it is free. After 10, 15, 20, 25, it is pro, which means you will have to pay, get it. But I would recommend that you can use the free version. The topic, what you are looking for, you can split that and take 10 slides each. So you can play around with that. So let's say I'll create 4 cards on any topics. I would just say create a presentation on why Twitter was renamed as X. Generate outline. So in that 4 PPTs, 4 slides or 4 cards, what it is saying, it will say what would be there in each card. It says first card will be about introduction to Twitter, reasons for name change, impact of new name, conclusion. So this is one easy thing. So you're teaching a particular subject. So if you're teaching quantitative subject, it would be difficult. But if you're teaching any subject which is qualitative and which has many real-time examples and case studies which you would want to implement, or which you would want to take it to the classroom. So this is one way, just quick 2 or 4 slides. So let's say you're talking about recession, for example. Let's say you're talking about recession. I'll just show this, why Twitter was renamed as X. So I have 4 cards, and it is asking amount of text per card. You want it to be brief, just in 1 or 2 sentences. You want medium, slight explanation, or you want it detailed. So it will select, it is giving us option. I'll just go with medium, and it is asking for web image search. So you want any image on the web, or you want AI generated images. I'll go for AI generated images because it wouldn't have any copyright issues. And image style or anything, I want something in black. I'll say you can give anything. You can just play around with that. And once this is done, I'll just come here, and it is asking me to select a theme. Let's say I'll select this theme, and then I'll say generate, and look at it. All the latest up-to-date information about the topic what I've given as to why Twitter has been renamed as X. So it is saying AI is generating as per the theme. So this is the first slide. Reasons for the name change. Impact of the new name. If you observe whatever has been given in the slide or in the outline, so that is being elaborated here. And I had selected medium. So if I want brief, it would be just 1 or 2 lines. If I want detailed, that would also be there. So now this is done. How do I download it? I go to share, and I'll say export. So when I say export it into PowerPoint or PDF, so that is also there. So I can export it as PowerPoint or as PDF. For now, I'll export it as PowerPoint. One option, it would be downloaded, and the other one, with whichever email ID you have logged in, a copy of that would be sent, right? So let's say if you're teaching any particular subject and you see 3 relevant topics, which is, now you could see it has been downloaded here, right? When I click on this, I'll just share this. So I can go up to 10 slides. So let's say you identify 2 or 3 topics and quickly you can of course read. I'm not discouraging the faculties from not reading. But rather, I would say you can create a quick presentation. You can keep this handy. So whenever you want to take it to an appropriate class or to an appropriate topic, you can just take this PPT. So this is one way of engaging students. So coming up with the latest trends and yet in a PowerPoint, or you can even create a document. So we saw that we created a PowerPoint, but there was an option. I'll just stop sharing. So if you go back to the two, remove all the unwanted or unnecessary things like your citations or any, analysis or anything which will not make any sense when you're making a PPT. And this will, and also make sure that your word limit is 5,000. So when you have that, you can upload any Word format or maybe even PDF. If there is a PDF, you can convert it into Word and you can upload. It will generate a PPT for you, right? So this will make our job easier and this will be a very effective tool in engaging the students. So this is something which the faculty community have been using it recently.